Yup, you read that right.Antonio Conte is hellbent on a target man.He is reportedly after West Ham's Andy Carroll, and he's now apparently in the market for Stoke City's Crouch, who turns 37 this month. The Italian boss currently has summer signing Alvaro Morata, who's firing blank of late, and suspended for their next league game following a red card against Norwich, and Michy Batshuayi at his disposal. Though the Belgian striker remains subject to intense transfer speculation, with West Ham reportedly in the hunt for his services.